Welcome to Bohol, home to one of the most unique landscapes on earth, the famous Chocolate Hills. Over 1,200 hills as far as the eye can see. Just on the ferry now to Bohol. I met a lovely couple.
Hello.
What's your names? I don't even know your names.
Abhinav.
Abhinav and? Ellie. Yeah, I'm stuck with these guys for the day. So, just got to Bohol off the ferry. Let's see what's in store. First, Jollibee. For those of you that haven't tried Jollibee, if you're in the Philippines, you've got to make sure you try it. So we've just arrived at the famous Chocolate Hills. Sorry about my slurring words, I'm absolutely shattered. Now let's see what's in store. Exciting times. There's the ticket office right in front. Let's take the drone up for a spin and let's see what it looks like from the skies. Come back to me. So we're just gonna head to the top now. Driver's taking me there. What's your name, sorry?
Barry.
Barry, nice to meet you. Just got to the top now. Let's take a look at the view. So you can go up all them steps to get to the top there. This bit's a drone zone. That was a climb and a half. I'm absolutely sweating and I'm out of breath. Time to do things in reverse order and go back down. So just arrived at the Tarsier conservation place with the hit squad.
They wrote it.
So cute. You know you gotta have something cool. Just at the man-made forest. Let's take the drone up for a spin. So me and the hit squad have arrived at the hanging bridge. Let's see what it's about. Go on then, bros. Wow, this is a bit scary. Better go nice and slow. Nearly there, nearly there. Just saying to the guys I could do with this swim, it's so hot. Back we go. So we just came from that side. Now we're walking back this way. TL guys, you know I hate heights, right? Nearly there. Was this a real snake?
Yes.
At one point?
Yeah, it's preserved already.
Oh.
But we have a live driver.
I know, right? He's moving that. He's moving. He ain't even flinching. He's also a chicken as well.
Yeah. Brahmini kite or eagle is bigger than. And that one, that seat is for the monkey.
Oh.
So you can see it for the monkey. That one, the sunflower seeds.
Just a little bit. Thank you. Finally, I got my own pigeon. Whoa, 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 fight. Are you like some kind of whisperer or something? Maybe they can sense it. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
So this is the big.
She's really happy. Glad to feed Momo and Mamai, the monkeys.
This one we bought it from the flower seeds.
There you go. Oh, so cute.
Said they all are rescue animals, are they?
Sorry, pardon.
They all are rescued animals, huh? Yeah. Recover and then they get sent back.
Yes.
Okay.
More food. Now we have you.
Real butterflies.
Oh, it's already, sorry, it's already 2 weeks old. That's why her wings is beautiful.
Aw.
So this one, they're turning to butterfly already. This one, they're turning to butterfly next week. Okay, so ma'am.
So I've just arrived at a church now. Let's have a little look around.
Right behind me is the historic Loboc Church, and right next to it is the famous Green River. Let's send the drone up to see this from up above.
So we finish here now. Time to head back to the port. I've enjoyed Bohol. It's quite nice. I feel like I need to come back here for a little longer because there's a lot more to do and there's even waterfalls. Shout out to our driver and tour guide. He's been great. Highly recommend the guy. Thank you very much. Thank you. Just waiting to head back now. Absolutely knackered.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for the next adventure. Check that cute little kid out that was fascinated by my drone. Bye for now.